weekend. Tingnan ko siya. After day, pinapagalit ko sa do you know AMGA? Sabi na, lahat na kami naging first. Bigyan ko some things clearly. Sabi niya, Mami, I'm more pleased na I appreciate you. Sort of bumimik. I don't need their parents are. So, children become how they, talagang natin vibes niya.
Ayan, luto na ang aking homemade na dilis gourmet.